Welcome to another video. It's been a long time here. Sorry, I've been very busy and also with students on my Telegram group and all of that. Now, there's this question I want to answer. A lot of students have been coming to me to ask what does the family income document looks like or how do they go about it for regional scholarships in Italy. Now, today is 23 of July. Most regions have released their scholarship applications, and I think a few are still left behind that hasn't released the application for theirs. Meanwhile, the family income document is a document that shows the earning of your family. That is the people who live in the same house with you. Italy here, we call it ISEE. Now in Italy, even if somebody is not related to you by blood, it's not your father, your mother, your sister, the person lives in the same house with you, the person has his residence under your roof, that person is included in your family income documents. Yes. Now, for example, you live, that is the total income that comes into that home is what the Italian government is asking you to show family income document. Now, that document, your father, your mother, if they are still alive, you live together. Now, if your parents are not alive anymore, you put yourself, if you have siblings that live together with you, you include them. Okay? Now, this document can't be done in two places in Nigeria, either in the High Court or in your local government. Okay? In your local government office, your secretariat, exactly. So you will be the one to first of all draft this document yourself. I will leave a sample of this document on my community post. Okay, so you know what it looks like. And these days, lots of technology can actually help you to go about these things. So you will be the one to draft it. Then you go to this place. They will then type it for you, print it out, and then they will stamp. Okay, but you have to draft it out so it will be easy for them to type it out for you and also stamp it for you. Now this document, you should take it to Abuja to be authenticated. All right, in MOFA, that's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now, most scholarship that I've seen, they require you to legalize it when you come to Italy, because actually regional scholarship takes effect when you finally come to Italy. So those of you who will be lucky when you get your visa, when you come here, just simply try to take it to Rome to be legalized. Okay? I wouldn't advise you to take that document close to the embassy. Okay? For certain reasons I cannot say on this video. So that is basically it. You type it, you write your father, his age, his occupation, how much he earns per annum. Now, okay, you're not going to be writing monthly salary, no, per annum. Okay, your mother, you write it. If your sister is living with you, you write it. If your brother is living with you, you write it. If you're even your brother's wife is living with you people, you write it. Also, how much they earn. If they are the ones that don't earn anything, just to put it there, occupation student, earnings nil. Okay, so that is how you go about your family income document. Some regions will tell you, now it depends on your region. Some regions would, the regional scholarship will say swear it at high court. Some will say at the local government. But most times, I think most regional scholarship is at the high court. They want you to swear it. And also not just the salary, to also include the asset. If you people have landed properties, you have buildings, you have any other thing you have, okay, outside your salary that comes in. If you're even doing business too, you also include, oh, occupation business, how much is the money that comes in annually. Now, some regional scholarship will tell you to do 2 years back. Some will ask maybe 3 years back. Okay, so be sure of what you are declaring and how many years back they're asking you to declare. For example, now those going for 2025, 2026 academic section, most times they're asking you for 2023. Okay, so we ask you for 2 years back. So you are doing 2023, 2024, or 2023, 2022. Okay, so you can actually do it in one paper. So that is how this family income document looks like, go as in how it's going to be done. I will leave it in my community post, okay, so you can view it and see my Telegram group. They already know what the documents look like, so it helps you to know how to draft out yours. All right, so thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best of luck. Those of you still trying to apply for your visa application, don't forget it ends November 30th, 2025 for the academic session of 2025-2026. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it if you have not liked it at this point, and I will see you in my next video, even if I don't know when. Ciao.